In this video, I'm going to explain how to install Pygame onto your computer. The first thing you must do is make sure that you have Python installed on your computer. You may have done this previously. If not, then just go to python.org, click on downloads, and it will suggest the latest version or their latest version. So it might be different when you go to it now, because this is obviously the version at time of recording. So download and install Python onto your machine, and then come back in a moment once you've done that. So you should have installed Python. If you have it before, that's fine. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to type in a command into your terminal or command prompt. Now I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to use terminal to do this, but if you're on a Windows machine, you'll go to command prompt and just go into the search box and just type in command prompt. Now we're just going to type in a command. It's called pip3, then install, then Pygame, but we're going to do Pygame with a dash and then CE. This is the community edition and it just tends to be more stable. Then I'm going to press enter and it says I've already got it, so it's not going to download it, but if you haven't installed it before, then it will install it on your machine. And it doesn't matter whether you do this on a Windows machine or a Mac, it will work for both. And now we can go to our preferred IDE. I've got VS Code here, and when we're writing our Python code, all we need to do is write at the top here, from Pygame import star, and that will import all the Pygame library code into our programs. And that's what you need to do to install Pygame, and from now on you can use the Pygame library code in order to do your games.